Hi, today I'm going to show you a very fast and easy South Indian breakfast recipe called Kuzu Kattai. I came across this recipe on YouTube and I just fell in love with it. I make it once in a while on Saturdays or Sundays and my family loves it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 cup of water, sorry, one to 1.5 cups of water, boil it. Once it boils, then we will add other ingredients. But to begin, I'm going to add salt as per taste, few drops of oil, then I'm going to add very little, about half a teaspoon of grated coconut, a teaspoon of chopped coriander, some pieces of chopped curry leaves, and a very small grated ginger. Add everything, and also there is cumin seeds, about quarter teaspoon. So add everything to this water and let it boil. Once it boils, I am going to add rice flour. This is 1 cup of rice flour. Let it boil. Now the water is boiling. I am going to add a cup of rice flour. You can reduce the heat, mix it well, and in another 10 seconds you can shut the gas off. Mix this well, and we will cool it down for about 10 minutes and knead it into a nice, like a dough, chapati dough. I will cover it and let it cool. Now pour this mixture into a plate and we will knead it into a nice rice dough. If you feel that the dough is little dry, you can add or sprinkle some hot water. It's very hot, so I'll wait for some time. So knead this dough now. It's hot, so be careful. So I added some water, like just sprinkle some water so that dough forms well. For 1 cup of rice flour, I have taken 1.5 cups of water, but I just sprinkled some water so that the dough is formed well. Now I'm going to make small rice balls and then we will steam it. Very interesting recipe. I just love it. My father used to travel a lot to Kerala and all over South India. So I was raised eating a lot of South Indian food at home. So now I'll make rice balls like this. Small ones, not big ones. This size. You can make smaller if you want. So now I have made these rice balls. I'm going to steam them and then I'm going to give fodni or vagar of all these spices. Very interesting, very tasty recipe. So I have taken wok here, taken some water. I'm going to put these rice balls into this plate and I'm going to steam them in this wok. So now that the water is boiling, I'm going to put this plate on top and I'm going to steam it for at least 15 to 20 minutes on medium high. So this has been steaming in my wok for about 13 to 15 minutes now. I will shut the gas off. Wow, this looks yummy. So in the same wok, putting some oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Once it's hot, add a pinch of hing or asafoetida, and then add these spices. I have taken red chili, dry red chili, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. This is chana dal, this is urad dal, curry leaves, some chopped coriander and some grated ginger. So I'll start with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, urad dal, dry red chili, ginger, curry leaves. Add little bit of turmeric powder and a pinch of red chili powder. Mix everything. And now add these steamed rice dumplings or rice balls. Mix well. I just love this recipe. It is so easy, so tasty. Just rice flour, some spices, make dumplings, steam them and give them vagar or fodni as we say it in Marathi. Now garnish with coriander leaves. Kuzu kattai or spicy rice balls is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching and please click on the title of the video for full and complete recipe. Thank you.